Aloha everybody. We're looking at the plume from Fisher 8. It's fairly loud. I don't know if the mic will pick it up, but I can definitely hear Fisher 8. It's like a jet engine, or like the ocean, kind of ocean sound. And it's in the morning. We're in Leilani Estates. I think it's about 5:30 in the morning right now. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. The SO2 levels aren't very high. I think the wind is blowing in the right direction. There is a little bit of some rain clouds, so it might rain today. But I think I'll get a nice peaceful morning without too much rain. It'll be nice this morning. So I want to thank everyone. My channel has over 50,000 subscribers. Just recently I made it over 50,000, and I want to thank everyone for liking my videos, watching my videos, sharing my videos, and I want to thank you for subscribing. It's awesome. Now, before this natural disaster happened in my neighborhood, my most popular videos were exotic fruit videos, tropical foraging, survival foraging, and a couple catch and cook videos, fishing. And I do reviews and like knife reviews, gear reviews, camping equipment, flashlights. I've actually got a TrueNight TH20 flashlight to review. I'm just trying to think of how to make that exciting, because flashlight reviews typically are not that exciting, but I want to try to make it fun and exciting. And I've been testing that flashlight out for the past couple weeks now, so I'm just trying to organize a video and make it exciting to where I can show you guys how this flashlight works, whatnot. Now, since this natural disaster, I've got a whole new group of viewers, and I want to welcome everyone. And in a way, this natural disaster has breathed new life into my channel. I guess I can make lemonade out of lemons, so to speak, with having a natural disaster in my neighborhood, quite literally down the street, about 3/4 of a mile from Fisher 8 right now. And yeah, she's pumping. Now I want to answer some questions. First, my animals. Somebody mentioned or asked about how they heard a rooster and how the rooster's doing. Well, the roosters are doing good, or I have one rooster and 7 hens, so I got a pretty good collection of eggs. Pretty much, if you know chickens, they can lay an egg a day, pretty much, or an egg every other day. So that's good. I haven't really been eating them because I don't know exactly, I haven't ate the eggs or the chickens, just because I don't know what the SO2 or what's, if it's poisoning them, or I don't know. I'm just a little paranoid of eating off of my homestead after all the acid rain and the Peleus hair, especially the fruit. I'm pretty sure the chickens and the eggs will be fine to eat. I just honestly really haven't had to. I've been going to the hub and they've been feeding me. Sometimes I'll go there for lunch and dinner. Really good food at the hub. So I recommend if you're in this area and you were displaced by lava, check out the hub. Because before I was kind of losing weight, you know, like conserving food, you know, going into survival mode. Well, I'm still in survival mode, but now I'm kind of getting a little fat. They're feeding me at the hub, so that's good. Now, Cammy, the cat, yeah, she's awesome. She walked out of the jungle roughly 2 weeks before this natural disaster happened, and she's been awesome. She actually listens, a cat that actually listens. She's really affectionate, you know. She's not like one of those, what do you call it, scaredy cats or, you know, weirdo cats that runs around and disobeys you and is bratty. Because Puma's the bratty one. And that's beautiful. Wow. So all the animals are doing good. I want to thank you for asking. Thank you for your concern. And I want to thank everyone for their well wishes and prayers and thoughts and all that. Thank you. And yeah, I think we'll wrap this video up right here. We're looking down towards Fissure 8 right now. Or I'm sorry, Fissure 10 is just beyond these trees here. The steam is typical for in the morning. And I can hear Fissure 8. I definitely see the plume from Fissure 8 right here. And it seems to be kind of fairly normal. There was some new activity or I should say different activity at the summit. The earthquakes have changed, and there was some breakouts down at the lower part of the river, down near the Kapo'o area. So there is a little bit of change, but everything seems to be fairly, I guess, normal, if you want to call it. Everything's kind of stabilized into a pattern. The river is just being fed by Fissure 8 and a little bit of activity at 22, but the majority of the lava is from Fissure 8. And it seems to be like a normal pattern that we've, you know, seen develop. And it's just such a beautiful morning. Wow. I think I might go to the beach. Oh wait, no, I got some stuff to do in town. Shoot. Well, anywho, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Again, I want to thank you. Wow, I'm over at 50,000 subscribers, and this channel has made it over 50,000 subscribers. I never thought it would happen. Wow, awesome. So I'm going to be working hard to make it 100,000 subscribers here soon. That would be awesome. And so I want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you for the like. I love all your comments. Please comment. Please share this video. Make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. And hit that red subscribe button so you can get further content. Until next time, a hooey ho.